Did you get the memo? Did you see that? Traditional classroom education has taken a noticeable turn. Gone are the days when what was taught in modern-day classrooms is as applicable as it may have been, even 5 years ago. Beautifully bound textbooks and lectures and conjecture and field trips are all great, but nothing compares to real-world application and experience for truly enriching the process for learning and earning that places you in the driver's seat. True entrepreneurs are individuals whose minds are constantly stretched by new ideas, with every new idea making it impossible for their minds to ever return to their original dimensions. TrailBlazers who celebrate learning beyond the classroom with real-world resources, innovation, and vision. Mavericks who never take no for an answer in terms of bringing that vision into fruition. Over at the new viral vending machine, we believe an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Strategic positioning through complete and total autonomy by establishing your own ecosystem through digital direct sales, affiliate, and email marketing. Not a business opportunity, but opportunity to conduct business for whatever you want to market and promote from anywhere in the world. Yes, 100% custom-designed affiliate websites, manually coded and loaded with your affiliate links. To learn more about the Viral Vending Machine affiliate, visit us over at thenewviralvendingmachine.com and contact us for more information about getting started.